Hey, you. Everybody is going to die, and yes, that includes you and me. But here's the thing. When you go, will your family be okay financially? Or will they be left scrambling to figure out how to pay the bills, funeral costs, and everything else? Stick around because in this video, I'll be breaking down why life insurance is an absolute must if you care about your loved ones. Let us first start with an interesting stat, because we all love stats on this channel. Did you know that nearly half of American adults lack life insurance coverage? This means millions of families could face financial hardship if the unexpected happens. And this information came from Forbes. Hey everyone, I'm Nicholas and welcome back to my channel where we talk about personal finance, insurance, and building a secure future. Today's topic is a big one, and that is life insurance. I know it's not the most exciting thing to think about, but trust me, it's one of the most important decisions you'll ever make for your family. In this video, we'll cover what life insurance is, why it is important, how to choose the right policy, and even some common mistakes to avoid. Let's jump in. So let's start with the basics on what is life insurance. At its core, life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay them a premium, and in return, they provide a payout in the form of a death benefit to your family or beneficiary if you pass away. There are different types of life insurance. You have term life insurance. This covers you for a set period of 10, 20, or 30 years. It's affordable and pretty straightforward. And they come with a death benefit, which is what you pay out when you die. Then you have whole life insurance. This is a lifelong coverage and includes a savings component. The rates in the savings component are comparable to a CD or a certificate of deposit, so a relatively small rate of increase. And next, you have a universal life insurance policy, which is also known as an IUL. This offers more flexibility in premiums and a death benefit, and also a higher rate of return compared to a whole life. The key takeaway is this. Life insurance is about protecting the people you care about the most. When it comes to whole life and universal life, well, the savings component you can use to take out during retirement or within a few years, depending on how the policy is set up. Now let's talk about why life insurance is important and why it matters so much. Imagine this. You pass away unexpectedly. Your family not only has to grieve, but also figure out how to cover funeral expenses, which, by the way, can cost upwards of $7,000 to $10,000. And I've heard of some costing as high as $25,000. It's just as expensive as a small wedding, quite frankly. And if you have a mortgage, car loans, or other debts, those do not disappear. And what about replacing your income? And how do you think your family will manage day-to-day expenses without you or your loved one's loss of income? Well, the good news is that life insurance can help solve those problems and ensures your loved ones can focus on healing and not worry too much about how to find money. But let's talk about a hard pill to swallow, which is preparing your family before you die. Hey, we need to have that conversation. And so here's what you need to do to set your family up for success. First off, calculate your coverage needs. Think about your debts, income, and future expenses like college tuition for the kids. Next, name your beneficiaries. This is who gets the payout, and make sure to update it if your life circumstances change. Let's take, for example, a divorce. Most likely, this would require a change in beneficiaries, if you know what I mean. Hey, don't shoot the messenger. And lastly, review your policy regularly because life changes fast and your insurance should keep up. But at this point of the video, most of you guys might be thinking how to choose the right life insurance policy. Well, choosing the right policy doesn't have to be complicated. Start by assessing your financial goals and ask yourself the question, do you want coverage for a specific period, which in most cases is referred to as a term, or a lifelong protection, which is referred to as either a whole life or universal policy? Next, compare quotes from different companies. Use online tools or work with a reputable agent who can guide you through the process. The most important thing is to choose a policy you can afford and understand. And if you need help with that, you can reach out to us below in the description. With that out of the way, here are several common mistakes to avoid, and we have to talk about them. So listen up and don't mess this one up. First, always disclose your health information accurately to your agent. If you don't, your policy might be voided, which will lead to wasting your time and your agent's time. Secondly, don't buy more coverage than you need. It's tempting, trust me, it's pretty tempting, but it can strain your budget. And third, beware of scams. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. And this is why you need to ask lots of questions. All right, so let's recap. Life insurance isn't just for you, it's for the people you love. It helps cover funeral costs, pay off debts, and replace your income. And choosing the right policy doesn't have to be overwhelming. And if you have made it this far, congratulations. I want you to do two simple things. Number one, take action today. Don't put this off. Protect your family with life insurance right now. It can be very affordable, and the earlier you start, the better. And subscribe to this channel for more tips on personal finance and securing your future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you want to learn more, check out these videos for more insights on personal finance and insurance. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to check out more useful videos right here. Have a great day.